And Nautical Star returning from a 4-month layup obliged as the favourite in landing the feature Labour Day trophy, an overnight allowance contest for 3-year-olds and up, going 7 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Monday. Denise Walters has our racing review.
Importee Nautical Star hasn't raced since January, where he won the St. Catherine Cup going 6 furlongs. Despite the layup, the 4-5 favourite tracked and caught early leader American Aviator under a ride from 2-time champion jockey Radish Roman.
Does come thundering into the top of the lane. American Aviator out in front. Here is a Nautical Star now coming a calling on the outside. American Aviator caught by Nautical Star, who now hits the front, and Nautical Star begins to go away just a bit from American Aviator, trying to rally there inside the final furlong. It is Nautical Star in the Labour Day trophy now beginning to pour it on inside the final 16th. It looks to be all over. A Nautical Star and a Radish Roman will romp the Labour Day trophy by almost 4. American Aviator is second.
Conditioned by former 3-time champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunez, the 6-year-old Dark Bay with the splits of 23 and 1, 46 and 2, 1 minute 11 and 3, 1 in 1 minute 25 and 1 fifths by 3.5 lengths.
Well, this horse is a very talented horse, so all I was trying to do is get a clean break, position him and ask him to run the last 3. I think he's one of the best horses in Jamaica, so I know he will put these away easy.
However, Roman admits Nunez wasn't necessarily happy with the performance.
Well, with the performance, I did not be impressed with the performance-wise, so we just maybe have to go back to the giant board and trying to get him on his peak.
Apprentice Richie Shakes rode a 3-time, while trainer Carlton Cunningham saddled a double. Racing continues this Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.